Hello guys, coming back to my channel guys again. Welcome from the Female English Breaker. How you all doing guys? I doing good guys. So this being my another vlog guys. This being my fifth vlog, and today I am apple cutter. So I telling you some good thing and bad thing about the apple. So guys, every time you bringing apple from the market na guys, always being careful because few dirty happening in the apple guys, and many people just bringing from market and eating it, not good for your stomach no guys. So you having stomach pain and the loose motion happening guys. So I telling you what you doing with the apple when you bringing from the market. No eating and no stomach problem happening. Eating nicely with cleaning and then eating. Okay guys, I show you what happening next. Guys, I taking this one clean bartan. I washing also this bartan. So what I doing is I filling water from the I filling water in this bartan. Having look. Water filling. Water filling. Guys, half been filling. Now my kitchen little bit being dirty, no cleaning, no not minding. So what I doing this apple no guys, putting in the water and watching like this. Again putting this apple in the water. Again this apple also putting in the water and having look guys. Having look. I keeping it like this. Only for 15 to 20 minutes guys. After keeping for 15 to 20 minutes, then I showing you how to eating the apple guys. Okay guys, then I keeping the apple now in water only. The apple taking bath in the water and having the fun guys, and all the dirty coming out. Then very cleaning. Then how cutting and how eating. I telling you guys. So guys, I coming back after half an hour and keeping the apple in the water only. Wash away all the dirt. Now I cutting the apple. Yes, my apple becoming 3, but now my apple only 2 because one apple my auntie taken away, and now I cutting the apple. So what I telling guys, whenever you bringing the apple from the market no, then you putting the apple in the water. Putting the apple in the water because I showing already in my video that apple having dirty. So you putting the water. What you doing is after that you again changing the water. Change this water away. My kitchen being little dirty guys. Kitchen working happening now guys. I coming and disturbing and I using the kitchen. Filling water. Now again putting the apple in the bartan and washing again washing nicely, taking bath for the apple guys. Washing now, full washing, one hand holding camera and one hand washing the apple guys. Little bit being difficult, but I adjusting anything for using guys. Now again you throwing away the water. Water gone. Now what you doing guys? Taking the knife and cleaning outside of the apple. Cleaning like this. Because dart coming out na. Looking at this, dart coming out. Being like this very carefully, or else your finger cutting. No finger cutting, only cleaning apple. This is happening. Then doing the next item. Again cleaning the apple guys. Very nicely. Hand no cutting. You looking yourself how much dirty coming guys. Full dirty coming out. My dog sometimes giving background music guys. I sorry asking you for that. Little bit disturbance happening. Now I'm washing this apple and cutting. guys, I showing you two different way of cutting apple. This apple you cutting like this, and in between throwing away this bichan, whichever coming, throwing the bichan away. Now for this apple, I telling you guys what you doing. You taking out the bahar ka khosla, you taking out. I telling you guys why taking out. In family, if any old man happening or old auntie happening, mother, father, anybody happening or anybody having stomach problem na guys, loose motion happening again, food not being properly hajam, then what you doing na guys, this taking out. Many people not eating apple thinking stomach paining and latrine happening, but if you washing apple very nicely and taking out this khosla na guys, then this apple very nicely hajam your pet and then you eating. So one apple you cutting like this guys who having no problem eating apple, and one apple you cutting like this if no problem happening, then cutting like this, then all old father, mother, everybody, nani, dada, every people being able to eat guys. So this video ending here only. Thank you very much subscribing the channel, and in the video good for you, then sharing with your friends and Parosi and everybody. Thank you guys. Bye. Good day. Good night.